It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you.
And then just pull the trigger again. Oh, you don't need to open it every time. You just pull. Yeah.
Okay.
Nagloto ka pa eh. Bilisan mo, nagbabarilan na ron eh.
I'm doing that thing. That was so good. Oh, I like that.
And then, yeah, the little lever right in front of the trigger guard.
This one?
No, this one right here.
Oh, this
yeah,
one.
pull that one back. It'll break the barrel open. And then you can pull the round out and just put your next one in.
Okay. That smells so nice.
And safety off, good to go.
Doesn't work.
It's a little stiff, I know.
My hands are so little. Oh my gosh, I'm enjoying this so much. One more. One last one.
I want you to concentrate in this case.
Ready to go, let's go.
Oh my God!
Ano nangyari sa inyo? Itatanong mo pa? Sino loko-loko may gawa?
So whenever you're ready, just pull the handle of that next to the action.
Is it okay if that thing is...
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, you just pull that back, and then when you pull it back, let it go, and it'll load.
Just like that? Oh.
A little bit further, let it go. Now it's loaded. And then pull the safety off whenever you're ready, and you can just trigger pull as much as you want. That one, I think that one was a dud, so just open her up. Okay.
Because it's...
Oh, heavy recoil, eh?
Sandali.
I didn't hit it.
That's okay.
Okay.
Up.
Same thing?
Yeah, it's up and back. Yeah, another one's chambered now for you.
Sabi nito sana, secret ka lang.
Rock. Did I hit it? No.
Sounds like you hit it.
Did I?
Yeah. Did you hear the thud?
Oh, I wasn't listening.
Oh yeah. You want to do? If you want to go in all the way up. Yep. Go ahead.